Hi, Phillip Long here, CEO of BIS Technology Group, and we're going through a Defense in Depth series. And this is nothing more really than for a small to mid-sized business, a solution stack, as we call it, a series of items that you need in order to really secure your network. Security is one of the biggest risks to a small to mid-sized company, really to all companies, but the number of small companies that get hacked more than 2 times in a 5-year period is about 50%. So it's a real risk, and it causes real pain, it causes real downtime, and if you lose your client's data, it could cause you a huge reputation hit. So I want to kind of go into this and kind of let you guys know that I am a certified information security professional, so I'm not dreaming this stuff up. I am studied in these things, and I have really put forth these items that I would say have a lot of bang for the buck, and they are geared towards the budgets of small to mid-sized companies. So without further ado, the second level of defense that you need, the first being a properly designed network, and that kind of stems from if you ever go to the chiropractor, and if one leg's shorter than the other, your shoulder hurts or your neck hurts or whatever. Same way with a network. If you don't have a properly based design, and if you look back at one of our previous videos, I've talked about that. So if you don't have that, then you really don't need to move beyond this. But the second, as we see it, would be a cloud-based firewall. And this is something that it's out in the cloud, which is basically it's out on the network, and it's owned by someone, so it's not this floating object that is amalgamous, and it's not owned or managed by anybody. But what this does is it puts all of your traffic, it flows it to and from your network through a set of filters. And really the beauty about the cloud-based firewall is that they sit on top of all of the data that is flowing across the internet. Well, not all of it. The one we use, they have 25% of the world's internet flowing across these servers. So the beauty of that is that they see things in real time, and they can put artificial intelligence and filters and methods to put countermeasures in place against threats very quickly. That's referred to as a zero-day threat, which means a threat that happens that the filters don't know about. So again, if they're out in the cloud, they're seeing a lot more traffic in real time, and they can very quickly make a countermeasure to stop the bad actor. And it's very effective in defending you. These filters, these cloud-based firewall filters, they do a lot of things. Not only do they just block basic threats that are people trying to attack your network, doing port scans and all of that, but they also you can put filters in place where you can block viruses, spyware. You can block web filtering. One of the things that we really recommend blocking is the people's access to go to web-based email. Email is one of the fastest ways to distribute, let's use ransomware or other types of malicious wares. And if you have your users on your network able to check their personal mail, we just expose ourselves to more and more and more accounts, if you will. And what we would say, and I'll talk about in the next series about what type of email that you need to have in place for your corporate mail, and then we want to close off all the other emails. So item number 2 in the solution stack for Defense in Depth is going to be a cloud-based firewall. If you have any other questions or anything, comment below. We'll be happy to follow up with you. You can always email me at plong@askbis.com. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. We're going to be shooting several more of these videos as we kind of go down the Defense in Depth solution stack.